Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have Realme Watch S5 and today I'm going to show you how to set a custom watch face on this watch. Basically if you want to use your own image or a picture as a watch face on your watch. So let's get started. First thing to mention is that if you want to set a custom watch face, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Realme Link application. And once the devices are paired together, we can open the Realme Link application on the phone that is paired with our watch. Actually, let me reopen it like this. And once you open the app, you should see the home page, and on it you should see your Realme Watch S5. Tap on it. Tap on Watch Face Gallery. And here, look for the watch face category called Album Watch Face. You can tap on it, and right here we can customize our watch face. We can change the position of the clock, we can change the color of the clock itself, and then you can tap on this background image right here, and you have camera or choose from album. Camera option allows you to take a picture and use it as a watch face, and choose from album will open the albums on your phone, and you can basically pick a picture from your phone. I'm gonna use the second option, so I'm gonna download the folder, select the picture, and now we need to crop it because the whole picture won't fit on the watch face, so we need to pick a part of it. And you can zoom in, zoom out, move left and right. So pick the part of the picture you like, and then tap on done. And let's customize it a bit further, like this. That should be good. We can then tap on Sync to Device to apply our watch face. And here we have it. That's how it looks like after it's applied. And that's how you set a custom watch face on this watch. So if you found this video any helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.